Welcome back to the channel. The true bearing is perhaps the most fundamental concept in marine navigation. It represents the precise horizontal direction of an object from the ship, measured clockwise from true north, the direction of the geographic North Pole. Unlike magnetic or compass bearings, the true bearing is constant and unaffected by local magnetic interference or the ship's errors, making it the gold standard for plotting positions and steering courses. Every course steered, every position line plotted, and every navigational calculation ultimately relates back to true north. To find the true bearing of an object, a navigator starts with a bearing taken from the ship's compass, either the magnetic compass or the gyro compass, and then applies a series of critical corrections to remove all errors. If the ship uses a gyro compass, the process is straightforward. The observed gyro bearing must be corrected only for gyro error. The gyro error is the fixed misalignment of the instrument, determined by comparing the gyro bearing of a known object like the sun with its calculated true bearing. If the gyro is reading too low, the error is east E and is added to the gyro bearing. If it reads too high, the error is west W and is subtracted. The corrected bearing is the true bearing. The formula is true bearing equals gyro bearing plus or minus gyro error E add or W subtract. If the ship is using the magnetic compass, the process involves two steps. First, correcting for the ship's specific error, deviation, and second, correcting for the Earth's regional error, variation. The observed compass bearing is first corrected for deviation, the error caused by the ship's metal and electric systems, which is found on the ship's deviation card. This gives you the magnetic bearing. Next, the magnetic bearing is corrected for variation, the angular difference between true north and magnetic north. Variation is a geographical constant for a location and is found on the latest nautical chart. Once variation is applied, east variation is added, E+, and west variation is subtracted, W-. The final result is the desired true bearing. A simple mnemonic helps track these changes. Can dead men vote twice? Compass, deviation, magnetic, variation, true. Whichever method is used, the final true bearing is what the navigator plots on the chart, establishing a position line. Multiple true bearings taken from known objects at the same time create a fix, a precise position, ensuring the ship is exactly where the navigator believes it to be. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.